If you are searching for that rare ocean view private oasis within an award-winning school district and safe, tranquil San Clemente, this is it. 21 Via Lampara in Talega boasts one of the largest lots in the neighborhood with extreme privacy. I'm Kelly LeClaire with Pacific Sotheby's. Let's take a look inside this stunning, rare find. This floor plan centers around a fantastic, totally private courtyard with double-sided fireplace and access to the home through 4 doors. Enjoy the nods to old-world elegance, including reclaimed elm walnut real wood floors on both levels. There are grand, tall ceilings with crown molding, tall baseboards, and custom casings throughout the home. On the main level, the kitchen includes white quartz countertops and backsplash, double ovens, a sub-zero refrigerator, and walk-in pantry. You can enjoy the backyard scenery from the view windows. The best feature of this property is this great backyard. The lot has more than 12,400 square feet, so there is a lot of room out here to enjoy the saltwater pool, entertain, and take in the ocean views. Sit-down ocean views from the fire pit, built-in table and barbecue, or even the perfectly placed hammock resting spot. An open floor plan along the back of the home allows for easy gathering around the kitchen table or in the family room. You can cozy up to one of the 4 fireplaces tastefully placed throughout the home. This 4-bedroom house includes an owner's suite with sprawling ocean views and a spa-like bathroom with imported tile. 2 secondary bedrooms upstairs each have their own private bath. An expansive loft currently used as a meditation space can be functional as a second family room or play area. A useful 4th bedroom is located off of the courtyard downstairs with a private full bath. The 3-car garage, 4,000+ square foot house includes solar panels, custom closets, security camera system, and surround sound in nearly every room and the backyard. The sleek design and wide open backyard space is calling to you to come rest and relax to watch the sunset over the Pacific Ocean and the San Clemente Hills. To schedule a private showing, you can contact me, Kelly LeClaire, at 949-412-6551. Thanks so much for watching.